Introducing the latest model of flushing machines from LANTZTECH. Designed to work as a standalone unit, the LANTZTECH flushing machine can easily be used with custom flushing tools. Inside, a complete flushing unit is integrated, with an 800-liter heated tank, our own arc control system, air supply with filtration, double water filtration and high-flow pumps, ensures capability for high-volume needs. The flushing chamber, along with power and signal to the touchscreen, is connected with 3 quick connectors on the front of the machine. This enables the machine to be placed away from the operator working area or automation, allowing for more flexibility and space. The flushing chamber is custom built to your needs and connects to the main machine. In this case, the customer needed to be able to flush longer hoses and pipes in the near future, so a longer chamber was designed. The operator chooses the correct article on the touchscreen. Once opened, the operator loads parts into the flushing chamber and seals them with manual levers. When ready, the operator closes the chamber and simply presses start. The machine starts flushing the parts using 50 to 60 degree water, with a 3 to 5% concentrated cleaning agent. The water is filtrated both before and after flushing the articles. In the ARC control system, a detailed view can be accessed to manually control or monitor the process. The cycle can also be followed by looking at the LANTZTECH logo, which illuminates the cycle progress as well as the status of the machine. LANTZTECH. Machines are our passion.